Okay, presenting Maya. Yay! That's excellent playing. Can you wave to all of your fans and say, I love you all?
I love you all.
Say, I'm the world's greatest drummer.
I was gangster.
And I love my daddy.
I love my daddy.
He's the best man in the world. And I mean it. Yay! And there we go. Give us a little bit more drums, Maya. Oh, yeah. You saw it here first, folks. Maya, the world's greatest drummer.